What I'm about to do here is to start putting the valves, start lapping these intake valve seats just a little bit. I mean, they all look in good shape. So I just want to put in preparation to reinstalling all the valves and reassembling the head. I want to lap all of these just a little bit so that you know, there's some amount of crud there. There really isn't a whole lot, but just to make it smooth, sort of a very light lapping. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to coat the valve stem with some oil, put it in there, and have at it.